of the polygons. So as we learned the triangle, it is also one of the polygon. As we learned about the definition of the polygon it is a closed figure and it is closed by the sides or closed by the line segment. So the triangle, it is also one kind of the polygon. So today class we are learning and we are going with the classification of the triangles. So we are dividing and we are classifying the triangles on the basis of sides and as well as on the basis of the angles. So in the classification of the triangles, we are classifying the triangle as based of the sides and as well as based on the angles. This is the classification of the triangles. We are dividing, we are classifying the three types on the basis of the sides. The first one is scaling triangle and the second one is isosceles triangle and another one is equilateral triangle. So you already idea about the triangle. So this is the shape of the triangle with the three angles and the three sides and three vertices. This is the example for the triangle, right? So triangle, it is a closed figure and it is a polygon made by the sides and it is a closed figure, and as we know that we need minimum 3 sides to make a polygon. So this is called as a triangle. So this triangle we are dividing the classification on the basis of the sides. So what is the side in this triangle? So this is, these three are called as a sides of the triangle. The first one is scaling triangle. What is this scaling triangle? The triangle having all the sides or the different sides or different length, that is called as a scaling triangle. For example, this is a triangle of the different length. So if this side is 15 centimeter and if this side is 20 centimeter and this side is 8 centimeter, all the three sides have the different length, right? So this is called as a scaling triangle, and also this is an example for the scaling triangle. So on the basis of the side, the first one is scaling triangle. So the triangle have all the sides or the different length, that is called as a scaling triangle. So this is an example here, this length and this length and this length or the different length. So this is called as the scaling triangle. The next one is isosceles triangle. What is this isosceles triangle? The triangle have the two sides are equal and one side is different. This is an example for the isosceles triangle. These two are the equal length and this side is different. For example, this length is 18 centimeter and this is also 18 centimeter and this is different 20 centimeter. The two sides are the equal length and one is different. This is called as a isosceles triangle. And what is this equilateral triangle? The example for equilateral triangle is, for example, as we know that this is a ruler, it is help us to draw the different geometrical shapes here. So what is this equilateral triangle means? All the sides are equal. The triangle have all the sides are equal. For example, this is a triangle. If this length is 5 centimeter and this length is also 5 centimeter and this length is also 5 centimeter, this is called as a equilateral triangle. So first one is the scaling triangle. The scaling triangle means all the sides are unequal. For example, this is the one length and this is the another one length and this is another length. See, all the three sides, here the triangle ABC, this length will take this length as now 20 and this is also a 20 and now I will take this as a 30. So now this length is, these two are equal and this is unequal. For example, this is 20 centimeter and this is 20 centimeter and this is 30 centimeter. An angle ABC and triangle ABC, here the two sides are equal length and one is different. This is called as a isosceles triangle. And another one is equilateral triangle, means here I will take all the sides for 20 centimeter here. This is a triangle A, B, C, and this length, this length, this length, all the lengths are equal. This is example for the equilateral triangle. So we are classifying the triangles on the basis of the sides. There are the three kinds. The first one is scaling, and another one is isosceles, and another one is equilateral triangle. The next one is, you can learn the classification of the triangles with the different angles. The next one is, we are classifying the triangles on the basis on angles here. The first one is acute angled triangle, and another one is right angled triangle, and another one is obtuse angled triangle. What is this acute angled triangle? This is acute angled triangle. So each angle in the triangle, each angle is the less than 90 degree. This is called as a acute angled triangle. So each angle is here. This is angle A, angle B, and angle C. So each angle is the less than 90 degree. In this triangle, all the three angles, each angle is less than 90 degree. This is called as a acute angled triangle. The next one is, what is right angled triangle? The right angled triangle, any one angle is 90 degree. In the triangle, any one of the angle is exactly 90 degree. This is called as the right angled triangle. And what is this obtuse angled triangle? Obtuse angled triangle, here the any one angle is the more than 90 degree. That is called as a obtuse angled triangle. So these are the three angles we are dividing, we are classifying on the based on the angles. So the based on the sides and as well as the based on the angles, we are classifying the triangles. The first one is acute angled triangle, obtuse angled triangle, and right angled triangle. So what is acute angled triangle? In the triangle, each angle is the less than 90 degree, and the right angled triangle, any one angle is exactly 90 degree, and obtuse angled triangle, any one angle is more than 90 degree or greater than 90 degree. This is called as a obtuse angled triangle. This is all about the classification of the triangle. Classification of the triangle on the based on the sides and as well as on the based on the angles we are dividing.